Welcome to the channel. If you're fascinated by the unexplained, the mysterious, and the strange things happening in the world around us, you're in the right place. Today we explore one of the most puzzling phenomena of the modern era, a sound that few can hear but none can explain, the global hum. Nature, a vast, awe-inspiring force, filled with sounds and rhythms beyond our understanding. While modern science has mapped the stars and split atoms, there are still phenomena it cannot fully explain. One such mystery? The strange, low-frequency sound heard by only a few around the world. Some call it the hum. Others refer to it as munu-munu. It's a deep, low-frequency noise that has troubled a small percentage of people in select regions for decades. The first reports emerged in the 1950s. People in otherwise quiet towns described a sound, like a diesel engine idling nearby. But strangely, no one else could hear it. It was usually heard indoors, mostly at night and in rural or semi-urban areas. It gave headaches, nausea, even insomnia, and for some, it became unbearable. Bristol, Taos, Ontario, Kokomo, Sydney. The hum is global yet local. Only 2% of people in these areas hear it, most between the ages of 55 and 70. And despite extensive investigations, no definitive source has been found. Theories range from industrial noise, military tests, high-pressure pipelines, to low-frequency electromagnetic waves, and even extraterrestrial origins. Some say it's a new sense, like a dog whistle for a few chosen humans. And while some blamed hearing defects, medical tests showed most of the listeners had perfectly normal hearing. The truth is, we don't know. The global hum may be the Earth speaking in a voice only some can hear. Or it could be the echo of our technology, growing louder as the world gets quieter. Until we know for sure, it remains one of the world's great unsolved mysteries. Thanks for watching. If you've ever heard the hum, or think you might have, tell us your story in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more deep dives into the mysterious and the unexplained.